Watch me make $329 in 12 minutes, trading American stock options in few minutes. I started with a buy trade on Johnson & Johnson for 2 minutes, which closed an $82 profit. Then I found a good sell trade on Facebook for 2.5 minutes, which closed an $80 profit. I found another good sell trade on Facebook, so why not? Check out our YouTube channel for free tutorials and course on stock options trading. It also closed an $80 profit after 2.5 minutes. I found my fourth and final trade on Pfizer Inc. Like, share, and follow. It closed an $87 profit after another 2.5 minutes. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educative videos. To learn stock options trading for free, click the link in the description or bio to join our Telegram channel now.